What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to continue working on my Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3. I guess you could say project car. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen the last few videos on this car, make sure you guys go check it out. I did like an introduction video where I went over all the details on the car. And in the last video, I actually did one of the biggest upgrades, which involves switching out the entire interior to red. So make sure you guys go check that video out. But yeah, now I'm addressing another issue with this car, and that's these damn ugly ass headlights. You guys can't really tell that well on camera, but these headlights are like yellowish and foggy and messed up. So I'm going to be switching out those headlight covers with these brand new covers that I have sitting here. And I'm also going to be switching out the corner lights to these clear corner lights, because the ones on there are amber, which I actually like the look of on this car, but since I switched out the interior to an Imola red, I feel like these ambers don't really match that well, and plus the tail lights are not amber as well, so I want to get those switched out to these clear ones and basically get all the lighting looking good on this car. I also ordered new tail lights for this car, the LED tail lights, because this is a 2001 car. This doesn't come with the LED rear tail lights, it's just a basic old tail light. I went ahead and ordered those, but they won't be here till like tomorrow or the next day, so I'll still get those in the same video, but obviously not today. For today, I'm just going to do these headlight covers and the corner lights. And another thing I want to do is get these angel eyes out of here, because honestly I don't really like the look of angel eyes anymore, so I want to get those gone and out of there. And it looks like these headlight covers are actually aftermarket as well, so that's probably why they yellow it out. So yeah, I'm gonna get those angel eyes out, get these lenses switched out, and get these corner lights switched out as well. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get to work. Guys, check out how good these headlights came out. They're still a little bit dirty. Can you bring me that towel? Quick little wipe down. Look at how good these headlights came out, guys. Especially with those clear corners. They look so much better. And then I also went ahead and threw some new xenon bulbs inside the headlights, because the old ones kept like flickering on and off. They were just going bad, but yeah, these look so good. I even went ahead and threw like these clear inside corner, the actual bulbs, because the ones that came with these clear ones were orange. But I think this front end looks really, really good now compared to the other way. Like I said, the ambers match this color in general, but for some reason I didn't want it on this car. I think these clear ones match it a lot better, especially with this new interior. And I forgot to mention, I went ahead and took off those angel eyes, so the headlights look basically OEM now, or not basically, they are OEM now. So
it goes like the clear corners even go with the kidneys.
Yeah, that's true. I'm not even a fan of like black kidneys or anything like that. I think the chrome kidneys look really good on this car. It makes it look like OEM plus. The only thing left to do on this front end is possibly get like a front lip or something like that. I don't really want to switch over to the CSL front bumper, because I don't know, it's kind of like, it hasn't really grown on me like that. So I might just get like a hard edge lip or something like that for the front end, just to tie it all together. But it's in dire need of suspension first, because this wheel gap is just, it's not okay. You could fit a baby inside this wheel gap right here, so definitely not okay. But yeah, the front headlights are all good to go. Like I said, I'm still waiting on the rear tail lights, so I'll probably throw that in the next few clips. So I will see you guys when those rear tail lights come in. Guys, it's actually the next day. I wasn't really gonna record any of this stuff, but me and the guys are actually on our way to like a small little BMW meet at our local park, so I thought I'd just record it and get some content for you guys anyway. Right now we're actually at like a touchless car wash kind of place. It's like attached to a gas station. I don't know if you guys been here. Nodek's just being a little menace early in the morning. But yeah, the cars are pretty dirty. Well, mine is just mostly dusty. So we're just gonna go through this quick little touchless car wash. That way it can at least look a little clean. We got me here. We got my friend Nodek in the E92 M3 there. We got Greg with his F80 M3. And then we got Autumn back there with his Imola E46 M3.
Hey.
Hold on.
Oh, the brake is on.
Where is he going? We got all the cars all cleaned up and ready to go. And then Osh is always the outcast with the G-Wagon. We got a whole variety of cars here. We got a nice touring there, a 635 E30 with some Alpinas.
Are we being serious for this video?
Let's be serious for once, okay? Let's be serious for once. This is sick. It's sick though. That's literally why I haven't bought one. You know, the Lamborghini seats, they're not that comfortable, so I haven't bought it yet.
That makes sense.
No, yeah.
No, but the carbon buckets are like a selling point. Like if it doesn't have it, isn't this the wrong Supra that's supposed to be at this meet? I don't know about all the stickers and stuff, but it's supercharged though. It's sick. Is it me or is that not a BMW?
That is a middle-aged lesbian that smokes vape. Don't put that in the video.
He's getting.
Orange and
Oh, this is nice. What the f is this piece of shit? Why don't you park normally? This guy comes to a damn BMW meet, he parks like this.
That shit looks good right here.
There's a lot of cool cars here, cool cars.
This is technically a BMW, no?
Yeah, it actually is. It's made by BMW.
Gas minis here.
It's a BMW.
all of the horsepower went to the front lip.
This is
Brand new lip, by the way.
Was it?
Yeah, it was brand new.
You own $350.
Plus installation. What are your rates to?
$120 an hour. We just raised them.
Greg, your lip looks like my dog was chewing on it for a year. Looks like my head was chewing on it for a year.
My head is so hot.
My head's not even here, bro.
You can't roast him, he's not here.
He's over here bartering with the freaking paleta man, bro. Alright guys, it's actually been a few days since you guys saw that last clip. I think we were at the car show in that last clip. I actually wanted to finish this video off by installing the taillights. The taillights finally came in. I know I told you guys early on in this video that I had ordered some. They just weren't in yet, so I couldn't do it while I was doing the headlight covers and corner lights and stuff like that. So the taillights finally came in for this car. As you guys know, these are the old school taillights. They're not LED. They're just like a light bulb inside there. These are actually updated. I don't know if the old owner updated these inside ones, but the outside ones are not updated. And I got a whole new set right here. I believe these taillights cost me like $130, $140. The only thing I really don't like about aftermarket LED taillights on these cars is that there's a black outline on the outside. That's how you can tell if they're aftermarket or not. I'll install these for now, and later on if I can find some OEM LED taillights for a decent price, I'll go ahead and pick those up. But for now, these will do. They look much better. They'll update the rear portion of this car because right now it looks honestly outdated. So hopefully these look good and they fit on with no issues. They come with like a whole module and stuff because the wiring is a little bit different on the 2001, I believe, compared to the 2003 and up, or 2002 and up. Me and Georgie boy over here are gonna go ahead and get these taillights installed real quick, and then I will show you guys what they look like after. So let's get to work and get these things on there. Alright guys, the taillights are finally installed. They actually look pretty damn good and they fit up pretty well also. Yeah, finally got the new LED taillights. Like I said, I don't really like this dark trim around the taillight. It makes it look too aftermarket. So when I do find some OEM ones, I will go ahead and pick those up and throw them on. But for now, there's no like codes or anything like that because it comes with all the modules you need. But yeah, other than that, taillights look good. Let me go ahead and turn them on so you guys can see. They look good. All the LEDs work as well. Check out this front end. This car looks so good in this lighting. But yeah, check that out, guys. That headlight actually got a little bit of condensation in there, which I'll go ahead and fix that later on. It's not that important right now. The clear corners and the new lenses make this car look so much better. Makes a world of a difference. This is how they look with it off. Like I said, that condensation is gonna get fixed, but yeah, look at how good this thing looks, especially in this lighting. But yeah, guys, that's gonna bring us to the end of this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna be lowering the car finally, because that wheel gap is not okay. So we're gonna be getting rid of that wheel gap in the next video, and then the video after that I'll go ahead and do the exhaust setup, because I basically have a full exhaust setup for this car. So yeah, there's a lot of goodies coming for this car, maybe wheels as well, so we'll see about that soon. I'm still debating. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below what you guys think of the car so far. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.